Hello everyone, this is Nafeez and you're watching the Vision 2030. Today we are going to discuss about Delta Plus, a new variant of the COVID-19 virus. So have you watched the Loki web series of Marvels? So probably tomorrow you will get the new episode of Loki. I'm not reviewing the episode here, but like Loki has different variants in the different timeline, but in fact in this our timeline we are getting different variants of these viruses and the fungi. We had got different colored fungus first, now we had got different variants. So it's not now there are so many variants we have seen right from the previous year. Now in India, especially in Maharashtra, the 20 plus cases of Delta plus variant of this COVID-19 virus have been found. So in this video, we are going to look in detail about this variant. What is this? How dangerous is this? What is so special about this variant? So before going further, I request all of you to please like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and press the bell icon, please. It is a humble request to you all. Okay, so this Delta plus variant is a new variant which has been found in India but not here for the first time. It was first found in the month of March in Europe and has been found in large extent in African continent. This is a major concern because this virus, this new variant of the virus is been believed that it may even surpass the effectiveness of these vaccines which are available right now. The vaccines what we are taking right now, the Covaxin, Covishield, whichever are available in the market right now, all of these may turn ineffective against this new variant. That's a huge concern. Huge concern. Yeah. So on what basis am I saying this? On what basis the scientists are also saying that? One of the scientists has said about this, and why is it so? That's because it has happened already that the Africa has returned all the vaccines of AstraZeneca, citing that it was found ineffective against the variant which was found there. And dear friends, this is the variant what Africa had, and the AstraZeneca was ineffective. And AstraZeneca is just, you're thinking that AstraZeneca, there may be some other vaccines, we doesn't have that vaccines. So let me tell you, for those who don't know, Covishield is nothing but the AstraZeneca. The AstraZeneca vaccine itself being produced in India with the name Covishield here. Okay, the same formula of the AstraZeneca. So Shahid Jamil, a scientific advisor of the government and the former member of INSAC OG, that's works on genome sequencing, has stated that this new variant is capable of devastating both the vaccines which are available as well as the monoclonal antibodies which were known as the antibody cocktail, which is available for around 60,000 rupees per shot. If you want to know more detail about this antibody cocktail, you can find this, you can check out the link given in the description below. I had made a separate video where this will prove what we can say a huge weapon for even those with low immunity also. So for such a strong vaccine cocktail, I can say antibody cocktail can also fail against this Delta plus variant according to a senior scientist. So will there be any connection between this variant and the third wave? So when this has been asked to Professor Jamil, he has said the third wave may not look devastating. Hardly very few cases of this variant has been found, and we can't say that this and that third wave has a link, and third wave is said to be there only because people are not following the protocols properly. In case if people are not following the protocols properly, then there might be a third wave. Otherwise, still there is no such confirmation, or there is no something that where we can say the third wave is inevitable. Okay, so only thing, we have to follow the protocols, be safe from all these things, have a good immunity. That's the key to stay healthy, stay happy. Okay, it's not even believed that it may transfer fast. Only thing is, the challenge is that this may, because there is mutation, because there is some special mutation has taken place in this variant, these vaccines may be ineffective against that. So we have to wait and see what happens next. Let's pray that everything will be positive and everything will be back to normal as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.